Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to forward a message on Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Messenger app. Now click on the chat where you want to forward the message. Press and hold on the message that you want to forward. Then click on More option. Here you can see the forward option, click on it. Then click on the send button of the person to whom you want to forward the message. And that is how you can forward a message on Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.